Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gracefully EUT. On this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I smoke my mackerel fish in an air fryer. Without wasting much of your time, I'll also be telling you some benefits of mackerel fish that will make you add this to your meal at least twice a week. Mackerel fish is very healthy for our health, and the health benefits will also be discussed in this video. So don't touch the dial. One thing that most doctors, dietitians, and health professionals are generally able to agree upon across the board is that adding fish to your diet comes with a major benefit of health. In fact, the American Heart Association actually recommends including at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your weekly diet to help enhance your heart health. Mackerel fish is a super nutritious type of fish that's practically bursting with protein, omega-3 fatty acid, and micronutrients. Mackerel fish is a family of saltwater fish composed of over 30 different species, including popular varieties like Atlantic mackerel, Pacific mackerel, Spanish mackerel, and the king mackerel fish. Consuming mackerel fish at least twice a week will also help you in reducing your blood pressure and cholesterol, minimize your waistline, and protect against depression and keep your bones healthy and strong, according to research. Mackerel fish definitely makes a great addition to any healthy, well-balanced diet. So I'm just using salt for this smoking of my mackerel. I just added some salt to and then rub it over to make sure to use it to marinate the fish. You can either put it in this position in a whole portion, or you can either cut it into portions according to the size you want it, but I'll be cutting this into 2 sizes. I want to say a mega thank you to all my subscribers and my watchers that haven't subscribed. Please, if you are watching or coming across this video for your first time, or coming across my channel for your first time, and you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please, I would be so glad to have you subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. And to all my returning subscribers, already know I love you all. To all my membership, thank you all for supporting this channel and keeping it going. I love you all so much. Thank you. So I have placed that in my bowl, and then I will be transferring that into the air fryer, and I will be setting that for 30 minutes and 200 degrees centigrade. So after 15 minutes, I'll be back to check on that. To everyone who has been sharing out my video to their community or to other social media platforms, God bless you all. My friends, I see you out there sharing my links to your WhatsApp status. God bless you, my darling friends. God bless you all. And after 15 minutes, this is how it looks like, looking so beautiful. So I'm just gonna flip that to the other side. I'm just flipping it over so that I can also get the other side well smoked and dried. The fish has a lot of oil in it. That is why I've first prepare the down pan with a folio paper in order to help keep the oil intact and not making the pan messy. The oil can also be used for your food, for other recipes if you want to. So after another 15 minutes, this is what the fish looks like, properly smoked, and it tastes very delicious. You can choose to marinate this in with any spice of your choice, but I just choose to use salt because I don't know which of my food recipe I'm going to use it for. So you know, the spice depends on the kind of food you're cooking. So that's for that. If you watch this very moment and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Seriously, I don't know what you're waiting for. You want me to come knocking on your door? Subscribe and make sure you put on the notification bell. The notification bell is the first bell that appears on top once you click on the subscribe button. This will enable you to get notification each time I upload a new video. Please subscribe, and come back watching my content for more recipes. Thank you all so much. Until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. I will be making this oil. I will be adding this oil to my food recipe. Bye, and let me know what you think of this video in the comment section, and if you like it, don't forget to share. Until next time, be blessed and be safe.